We're going to be making some challah bread. Now, if you want to get it soft, there's a couple techniques that I want you to do. In this, we have 4 cups of flour. We have here 1.5 cup of milk, warm milk. Now, I preheat it on the stove, so I want to make sure it's at the correct temperature. You can always go ahead and put your finger in it to check if it's hotter than your body temperature, which it is hot. So the heat is not ready to go in that as yet. We're going to be using some agave just to glaze it. We're going to be using some butter, yeast of course, and also I'm going to be using some poppy seed. I'm not sure if I'm going to incorporate it in the bread or just sprinkle it on top for garnish. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, so we're going to get started by adding the salt to the flour and mix it. Now, because you want to get your milk about 100 degrees, so let me just check. This milk is not ready to go in as yet. It's 150. It's really hot. I don't know why I heat it up so much, but we want it to be around 100, right? So let's wait until the milk has cooled down and then we can use it, right? And to bloom the yeast, we're going to add the yeast to the warm milk. Now, there's a few things I want you guys to remember. If your water gets too cold, the yeast will not activate, and if it's too hot like how it is now and I put the yeast in it, it will just die and not bloom, right? So I want you to remember that. Okay, so before adding the yeast to the milk, we want to add like a tablespoon of sugar to the milk, right? Just dissolve that a little. And we can add the yeast now. You want to leave the yeast to bloom for like 10 minutes. So we can cover it. And it will foam up. Now, if yours didn't foam, throw that away. It's not good. So let me show you how it looks. So it's foaming up now as we speak. Guys, you can see how foamy it is. Perfect blooming. So we're going to add it now to the flour. So you can see how you should get yours. Very foamy. Okay, so we're going to add the butter now to the flour and give it a quick little mix, guys. Listen now, please don't get your butter too hot, because I did this the other day and my butter was too hot and it killed the yeast, right? My bread. And I don't know why I'm using a mixer, you know. A whisk. Anyways. Alright, so gradually add the milk mixture. And you want to knead it, right? Just continue kneading the dough. You want to knead it in a soft dough, see? So we're going to cover this and store it in a jar-free area for 30 minutes to just rise, and then I'll show you how it turned out, right? So we're going to do that. What I did though, because the time is a little bit cold now, what I did was to light my oven, just kind of barely get it warm, and then I'm going to put the dough in there, right? Our dough has doubled in size, guys, and looking amazing. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Can you see? It's looking amazing. So alright, anyways, we're gonna deflate it and turn it out. So you can just sprinkle some flour on your surface. Now make sure your surface is clean, guys. Only clean area we need to work on, right? So we're going to divide this in 3 equal parts. measure it, you know, because God knows my way up, I can't eyeball it. So I have to just measure it to make sure it's equal. See this one a little bit bigger. Here we go. Alright, now so we're going to just fold it. And to roll it, let me just get rid of this. To roll it, guys, you start from in the middle. Okay, so you want to bring the ends together, right? And you can just fold it over, gradually fold it over, fold them over, and just create your plaits, right? And one of the things you want to remember too is that you have to put this again to rise. Yes, you have to put it to rise. Bread making is a lot of work. So you don't have to rush anything when you're in the kitchen. Just take your time and do whatever you need to do, right? See? And don't fold it too tight. And when you reach to the end, you can just bring it together like that and then tuck it under. And just tuck in all this in here, so you just tuck it under. We're brushing on some agave, and then we're going to sprinkle some poppy seed on it, and then we're going to put it to rise for another 20 minutes or so. I prefer to do it now more than when the dough rises and it's a little bit more fragile before we start to do all of this. So you can either use poppy seed or sesame seed. You can just be creative about whatever topping you want to go on there. You don't want to put too much. I think that's enough, guys. So we're going to rest this again to rise, and then we get right back to it, okay? Guys, you don't want to smell my kitchen now. Oh my God. So we're going to brush the challah with some butter. Mighty God, oh my God. I'm not extra, guys. This is so nice. It looks so good. And one of the things you want to remember though with bread, you can't cut it same time. You want to cool it, you want to cover it so you don't get any air in it to dry it out, right? Wow, guys, oh my God, let me just one pop off piece. Ooh, no, this is amazing. This looks so nice. The smell is amazing. I can't wait no longer to eat the bread. So I don't want you guys to be afraid of baking any form of bread or working with yeast. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is just follow the basic principles of blooming the yeast and so on. Okay, so let's get into it now and taste it. Oh my God, it is so soft. And mark you guys, it is still hot, warm. Alright, so here you go. See that? Oh my God, it's hot, man, it's hot. But I wanted you guys to see it. You see? Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please do remember to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, put on your post notification. Until next time, Bye.